example, if we develop there are two types of development. That is a parallel development, that is exact, and second is approximate development, that is development through a vertex. For example, the development of pyramid, development of the approximate development, and the development of this cylinder or the development of island of parallel. So there are two types of development of solid. Approximate development is developed through the vertex, that is considered as a center, and that is case of pyramid. Next slide, sir. Now we have developed the surface side by surface also, and lateral surface that is equal to perimeter of the total. There may be vary according to the solid, that may be rectangle perimeter, that's length will be plus length plus breadth. Case of circular circuit section perimeter by r. This way we can develop the end object. Next slide, sir. Next slide. Next, sir. Full length आ गया. हाँ, सिलेंडर का दिखाइए. सिलेंडर का डेवलपमेंट का कोई एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एनी सिलेंडर और प्रिज्म. हाउ वी कैन cut the length across, and what is the next development? हेलो,
बोलिए.
हाँ, कोई सिलेंडर का डेवलपमेंट एग्जाम्पल दिखाइए तो, उसमें है तो. सिलेंडर या प्रिज्म का कट करके बाइसेक्ट करने के बाद डेवलप होता है. हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक.
अरे एक बोर्ड यहाँ बैठा रहता है, वहाँ बना वहाँ बैठा रहता, पता है बार वाला
Now this one is the
निकेत अपना माइक ऑफ करो.
the pyramid has 8 sides, and we can draw the top view of the octagonal pyramid by the general methods have been applied to draw the octagonal pyramid, and after that we have draw the different faces, different projections, side view by making projections in which 5 and 6 sides will coincide, 1 and 3 will coincide, and 4 and 8 side will go the axis. Now, in that case, what are the methods for development? We can also draw by making a 45-degree, making can develop together sides. In this case, whatever the sections we provided, cutting sections, that case we have developed their faces. And case of development, we will again the lateral side of the outside and then can develop accordingly. Next, sir. Next slide, sir. नेक्स्ट पिक्चर डेवलपमेंट का जो हम लोग 12 भाग में बांट के करते हैं, हाँ ठीक है, ओके, एंड इट्स डेवलपमेंट इन दैट केस इफ, हाँ ओके ओके, ठीक है. Now, in the case of truncated right pyramid, right, this one is pyramid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 side, and this is pyramid. All the generator will meet at a point O. So this is the according to vertex we revolve the total positions, and that case the base the base of the pyramid, that is of 8 sides, we have take all the length perimeter of space, and from point O we can draw a right pyramid, consider right pyramid in the outside. In that case we make a center. On the other hand, this pyramid truncated from the M1 N1 line, and this will make and cut the axis and all sides generators at M1, and in that case we have developed this truncated pyramid. For that we have taken this side A1 B1 C1 D1 8 side, A1 B1 1 C1 2 C1 D1 3 4 5 6 side we have taken of provided side of the pyramid, and we have taken a circle of this perimeter, and then we have divided it all the generators 6 parts, and in the case of truncated sections we have taken A1 N1 length, A1 N1 in projections we have take A1 N1 in the other figure, that is the red color. A1 N1 length we have taken by divider, and A1 N1 is taken on the other figures. 1 A1, on that we have cut A1 N1. Similarly, we cut B1 H1. So similar case we have got the same length from O1 B1 to B1 axis. We cut the OC1, OD1, next come OE1, same reverse direction, and OL1 F2 and A1 N1. In that case, we have make a type of portions that is of red color and made the red color throughout. That is the exact portion of the development of a truncated hexagonal right pyramid if it is cut by the provided measurement, that is cut by M1 N1. Whatever may be the measurement, either it is from axis or from the one side or from the D1 N1 side. That way we can develop the pyramid. Next figure, sir. Now this is a simple figure. You have to consider the simple figure that is developed. That is a simple hexagonal pyramid. This one is pyramid. So pyramid or prism difference, you already know the difference between pyramid and pyramid. All the generators will meet at a point at third, and in prism, base and base of the same shape and size. So this one is pyramid. So first of all, you have to draw the base of the pyramid of a hexagonal. So you can draw the hexagonal by two methods, or better, it will be better to draw by the general methods, that is apply equally to all other sides, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, whatever the sides as well, you can draw by the help of general. In that case, we have draw a hexagon of same side. Side will be equal 0, 1, 3, 6, 5, 6, one side. Now we can draw its side view pyramid. So we can generate the projections from 2, 2, from 3, 1, from 4, 6, and from 5. So that will make a projections, that is 2A, 1B, 4C, 5D. So in that case, we can, if the axis of the pyramid is given, then we can draw the pyramid totally. This is a cut section of pyramid. Now, a development of is provided by a truncated. This is truncated from A, E, C. This is truncated from side A, B, C, D, and this is provided in a example that the height will be whatever whatever will be a height of height, or whatever the it is cut by a axis to each angle by each angle. That case can cut the pyramid. So this is the example of one that is cut by a truncated by a ABCD line. That is truncated by a ABCD line. Now we can develop. How we can develop this truncated? So for that example, we have taken perimeter of a hexagon side. If the perimeter side is given by 30 mm, then 2 to 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 1, 2 will be the distance of 30 mm. In that case, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, all are equal length. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6, 1, 1, 2 are of equal length. That, that length will be the sides of a pyramid. And now how we can truncate it? So we can develop the projections from all the points A, B, C. All the develop the projection from A, B, C, and make a straight line from 2A, 3B, 4C, 5D. In this place, can draw a perpendicular on all the points and draw the projections from A, B, C, D, and they will meet. For example, 2A, A, 2A. So in that case, the length of the A in projections, 2A we will cut projection from B, can develop BB from C, CC, and from D projections cut at a point D. And we can then make this line AB, CC, CD, EC, DB, A. So this is the total development figure will be 2A, 2A, B, C, D, C, B, A. So if the hexagonal pyramid is cut by in this figure, then the development is done by this process. And this is the type of development we have obtained, that is like a figure of 2A, B, C, D, C, B, A. This is the case of development when the pyramid is cut by a truncated or cut by a line A, B, C, D. We can also, other way we can also draw by taking distance 2A, 2A, 3B, 3B, just portion we can, or other methods we can draw naked projections from A, B, C, D point that will cut point at A, B from B that will cut point 3 at point 4 at C, point 5 at B, point 6 at C. Again, we reverse case 1 at B. At that case, we have make a development of provided figure. Now, now this is a important figure. You have to consider truncated cylinder. How we can make a cylinder development, its lateral surface development. How तो सिलेंडर का क्या होता है कि सिलेंडर का जो टॉप व्यू will be in the case of a circle. इसका face, bottom face and upper face will be the shape of circle. Whenever we see the cylinder top, it looks like a circle. Therefore, first of all, we can draw the top view. This one is in the case of third angle projections. Cylinder is kept in third angle projection. Third angle projections draw the top view above the reference line. So the top view of the cylinder will, in the case of it will be form of circle, and whatever the dia will be dia of the circle. In that case, we have make a circle by taking dia of a cylinder. Now this cylinder circle is divided in generally how many division we will take, maybe 18, maybe 6, maybe 10, 6, 18, 9, whatever may be, divide circles, but better way to divide the circle in form of 12 division. So we have made the total angle of this circle will be of 360. Therefore, whenever the circle is divided 12 parts, we have take 360 by 12, 30 degree. So on the case of 30 degree, we have divide by taking 30 degree divisions. We have divide the whole circle in 12 parts. It is better this division will be taken by mega drafters after setting 30 degree and then setting 60 degree from both the scale, both sides of the scale. That manner we have divided the circle into 12 parts, and now we can draw its front view. Front view will be in the case of a rectangle. Rectangle positions is not what the truncated portion is shown. So in the case of rectangle, we can make projections by taking projections from all the points. Now, in that case, we have draw the top view and front view of a cylinder. Now, this is truncated by a system line A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is truncated by A, B, C, D, F, G. Position of truncated provided in exam questions, that either this may be cut from one side up 15 millimeter, 16 millimeter, or from other sides it cut from 7 to G, that is 30 mm, or this is given by it makes 45 angle with the axis. So whatever the many questions have been given, question of cutting or truncated portion of a cylinder. So in that case, in a particular example, we have cut this cylinder by A, B, C, D, F, G. Now we can develop. How we can develop? So first of all, we have taken the perimeter of a cylinder, that is perimeter of a circle. So perimeter of circle will be equal to pi d or 2 pi r. Pi d means pi and diameter of a circle, और 2 pi r means गुना हो जाएगा 2 pi into radius of a circle. So in that case, the length of the case of development, here case of development, that is the distance from 1 to 1 will be equal to pi r, where r is the radius of a circle. Now we can divide this to 12 equal parts. If the distance will be 24 mm, then we have to divide it 12 equal parts, that is 12, that is 24 by 12, that is millimeter. So each part 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, these are equal to 2 mm each. So in that case, whatever may be the measurements, you can divide this period by 12 equal parts. 12 equal, all the divisions will be of equal. Now we can make a projections from point G, from point A, B, C. We draw a line, that is projections from point A, B, C. Can make a line, and similarly we can draw a perpendicular line from point 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and projections, that is 1 A will meet at 1, that is A. Similarly, the projections from B will meet at point 2 at B. Similarly, projections of C will meet at point 3 at C. In that case, we can point has been established by different position, and then we may mate all the points A, B, C, D. Next, the case of same direction, we can F, E, F, A, and this way we can mate all the points, and this will give the development for the 1A, B, C, D total figure will give the development of the truncated cylinder. So the position or the shape of the truncated cylinder, when we can develop, this will come form of this. This will come this form. So this is the case of development of a cylinders. Whatever may be the positions. Hello. Now, now we make in the first angle position. This is the first angle position. That is a cone or pyramid. Both are made at a point. All the generators are at that is point. First of all, we can draw the top, and this figure is the first angle. Therefore, top will be below the reference line. So that case, we can make 1, 2, 3. A thruster, this type of figure is this type of figure. Top view is draw below the reference lines, and then according to its axis, a section has been within cut section. We can draw the projections of this figure by joining at point S. Now this is first this is cut by points A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is cut by position A dash, B yes, yes, yes. And in other sense, this is cut by from a dash, one dash, plus three dash, dash. So this is the shape. This is the shape of thrust that is provided. Is cut by a dash, a dash, b dash, 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 o dash, dash, o dash, one. So now we can develop its positions. First of all, we can rate its length of slant height, o dash, a dash. We can let a length of dash as slant height, and from this we make a circle, a chord. We make a chord, and similar condition. This is divided by according to cutting portions, that is from a dash, b dash, c dash, and in that case, first of all, we take the length from o dash to a dash, b dash, c dash, d dash, and this will be cut this circle in the chord, and for below that line a dash, b dash, c dash, we make the similar divisions. We make the similar division, take a dash, then cut from dash a1, b dash, 1 dash. In that case, we can cut the length from that generators and mate all the generators. So this form of development is obtained, that is of dark line. Dark line, this development of this figure is shown by a dark line. In that figure, so this is the process of development of any sections, whatever may be provided, given. And this is one is complicated figure, so you can draw the a semicircular है तो semicircular all the length has been measured from cutting portions to in this development. So these positions has been obtained. Hello. So in this process, by this process, we have developed the figures which is given in any process. Whatever may be figure has been provided, draw the development of the overall surfaces. Okay. If any if any query from the side of our students regarding the examples that is shown, any form of query or any questions regarding development, development is meant to minimize the scrap of any costly material, and that is the mean of development. Okay, हो गया सर? ठीक, हाँ है तो। और सब छोड़ दिया। आवाज क्लियर था?